two ordinary fair die are rolled, we get a 1 and a 4. These are independent events. Independent events are events where the probability of one thing happening cannot affect the other thing happening. The probability of getting a 1 on this die is 1/6, and the probability of getting a 4 on this one is 1/6. Note that had this been something other than a 1, such as a 2, it would not have changed this probability. So whatever we get on this die, the probability of getting a 4 on this die is the same. It works the other way round too. If we got a different result on the second die, it wouldn't affect the probabilities on the first. This is the classic independent event situation. Whatever happens with one thing does not affect the probabilities of something else.